It's red light. It's red light.
Yeah. Good morning. Uh, my name is Bright, and um, I will be. My name is Bright, and I'll be taking you in this UI design. So, um, what we actually planned on doing was to develop a music player. That's what we plan doing at Flutter. But when I went through like the various plugins for the music player, I realized that like most of them were working for just Android and not like iOS. And here's the thing: like I've noticed that a lot of people usually develop their Flutter app for Android, so they do the Android configuration, but they don't usually do the iOS configuration because you see that it's confusing, or like they basically don't know the iOS structure, how to do their configuration. So I was actually trying to use that opportunity to also teach how you could easily do your iOS configurations. But almost all the plugins I saw there were for Android, and the ones that were iOS, like they were basically not working. So that was why I decided to switch to something. So with this app, I think moving forward, we'll think of implementing a backend service to it, so that we'll also look at how maybe we could handle our state. So using state management, we can make network calls to our backend using this app UI. So we are not going to develop everything like just now. We'll do what we can do today from 8 to 9, then we'll continue in the evening until we are actually done. So so we can get the UI. Yeah, so these are the UIs of I think I didn't export this wall. Yeah. So we have so we have the home screen, or the welcome screen, with basically like two buttons with sign in with Google and create an account. Then we have the login, which I didn't export well. Then we have the create account. Then from the create account, we have the home page itself. And this, as you can see, it contains a lot. My mic is actually not muted, so I don't know why. But can you hear me? Wow. I don't know. I think people can't hear me, so I'm coming. Let me so that I can try and fix this.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So let's see. I don't know why I think I placed waiting on this. People are waiting. So from I use Flutter the master channel, so you probably see
And the
some.
master branch.
Yeah, so you probably see some things that
Oh,
like you won't see in the other ones.
oh, okay.
Okay, so as usual, this is our the default project. This default thing we see when we create a Flutter project. I will clear all this. So take out the comment. Yeah, I actually heard that there's a plugin that actually does all this. I think remove comments or something. When you just run it, it will just remove all the comments from your code.
Oh, okay.
Me, this is how I like to structure my code. I have my pages, or I call them sometimes screen.
Screens,
And
yeah.
then I have my utils. So utils basically are let's say custom functions that I wrote that like they applied at like more than one place. So then I just
Oh, okay.
Put that in the util
Okay.
file. Let's say my date formatting. So if I use a certain pattern to format my date, I also put that also inside
Oh,
my
okay.
util. So utils are basically like my helper for functions basically.
Okay, okay.
So, okay. So let me create my welcome. Yeah, so usually by default, I leave my page on like I make it stateless, and so let's say I actually needed to make a stateful because I think stateful apps just has like more code to it than the usual.
Yeah.
So yeah. So now we have this, and our color code. Okay, let me see. Like I can pick the color from this. Okay, that's 1458 160. Yeah, so I can now have my this folder. From we have to import. So we have 1458 160. 1458 160. I think capacity will just be one because it's fully transparent. Actually do this because looking at the whole UI, I feel like almost all the background is blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, apart from this side, like so. Yeah, we can refactor it later on. So inside my I wonder why this okay. I don't think it's a good practice to be creating copies of a class. No, maybe that Swift has actually spoiled me now. So just put this final because in iOS like it's actually frowned against to create like copies of a class like every time. So I think we have this.
Okay.
Let me look at. So everything is bottom. This is here. This is here. So let's see. I think I can use a column and use a spacer to push everything downwards. So text. We have welcome, manage experience. So okay, so they're up here. Spacer and see whether everything will just move down. Okay, sure. So we can actually use spacer to move everything downwards. But before that, let me This about 24. Yeah. So the third is, let me. So the one, no. They've changed these things recently, and it's really confusing. Like, they should have taken the old one out. Because, just looking at 18. Okay.
What's the name of the color picker you're using?
It's called digital. It's actually is default. It's part of Mac.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So you just search digital
Oh,
color
okay. I've
center.
seen it. Yeah, I've seen it. Thank you.
Make this a little fat. I think because I'm not adding. Let me try and add. Let me try and add. So Google font, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so that plugin is called what's the name?
Oxford Assist.
Yeah, Assist. So I actually like using it a lot. Because I don't
Yeah,
want to like go to my browser, go and look for it and come and paste.
Yeah, it's true.
So let me just font family. Stick it in there. Lato, I think this pretty. Come on, font family. I didn't really see any change, but let's see. So in the color to I think yeah. So we are using body one text. Well, I think I've seen this. Yeah, I was just forgetting how to add a text style.
Using the Google font.
Yeah, using the So it's like from the theme. Within this body.
Let me quickly look it up.
So with this, like you can actually specify a universal theme for like all all your text. So it will basically run through the whole thing. And like
Okay.
once you change it in your main or wherever you keep your thing, like it will reflect in the whole code.
Okay.
Yeah. So this didn't even reflect. Let me just finish the thing. So this is body one. So we have the subtitle one, I think. Subtitle two. Oh, yeah. So I basically have to run the whole code again because we added a plugin. So we get that one. I can make this 32. And it should be loaded. And then this can be 20. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's actually done. Okay. So yeah, this can be our sub one. Then we have our let me look at this again. Okay, so this is bigger than this. So this will be one, this will be two. So this will be one, this will be two, and I have to specify two. And please kindly hold on.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. Do we need? Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. No, you could actually have used a normal button, but because of this icon here, so I decided to actually build like my own so other radius. 5 is okay. So we have a row with icon. Let me just put something here for the meantime. Then I'll refactor it. And we have a text. So this text can actually be signing with Google. Can actually be body one. Sign. Here. Signing with Google. Oh, this looks weird. What's our decoration? Oh, okay. I think there's a way I can even. There's actually a way I can copy all the properties of this text and add my own, but I've forgotten. It's been a while I've done Flutter again. I've been doing Swift and a bit of Node. So 8.
Won't it be simple if you use a normal button and then you use a rule as a child?
No button, a rule as a child.
Just a normal button and then you use a rule as a child.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's from here to here. Okay. So I can use the flat. So yeah, I think this could actually work. Yeah. I think this gradually work. Yeah, let me just go and copy this. Yeah, so I was over here. So actually, this is actually a reason why I don't really like making my things like class based. So usually I just write it in the file and I'm able to call it anywhere. But usually if you make it class based, you have to be initializing it almost everywhere. Yeah, so no. Why didn't it show up? I think it has. Oh yeah, because this thing is now. So we can set the rounded cornizing shape. So shape is rounded. So this takes a border radius. So just passing on border radius. That's 45. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I set this into. Wait, is this really what I did here? No. That's confusing. Yeah. So the row. Let's see. Should we use a fixed space, or should just calculate it based on the size of the screen? So just to make it 3. No, this is terrible. 3, 6. Okay. Okay. It's actually okay. But we really have to set the height. The height. There's no height. So I can force this guy a little bigger. Okay. I think this is terrible. Yeah, so we there's this plugin that I add for icons. I've forgotten the name. I think it's Flutter icons. Yeah. So where is it? Yeah, just now. So I have them. So I think this package was based on React Native. So React Native also has similar thing. Go. So now we go to the first one. Okay. So I think I have to start everything again. So this is one button. The button that long. No, it's not that long. Okay, it actually matches. I think the screen is big. So it's making it big. We have this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I have like 3 minutes more. Let's see. First, let me try and refactor this. So it's passing us util. It should also pass us, should I say, text, and also whether it has an icon or not. So, well, I can just check. No. Then the icon is off. So final icon. Okay, this is icon. So I can make sky quite this quite on this one be. So over here you can change this thing to text. Wow, so I started screaming. Then change. Then so I have to do this for both. Wow. You see, it has if it says icon is true, then we can leave it, else it's a container. Right, the size box, empty size box. This will be, oh, let me show you icon data. Icon data. And then over here we have an icon.